Hi, I'm back with an Nerf gun. And then my brother in, and my sister's in. Now I can't see my face. There's my mom. Shot home. Nerf gun, shoot bullet. Doggy. Mickey, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, I got Mickey. Oh no. You see yourself. You see yourself.
I can't even explain to you how important this is to me. It really is super important on how he recovers from this. He's just a really good boy.
You're a big boy. He's a big boy. Telling me when I'm sitting down.
Buford, the old English bulldog, just finished a checkup. He started like explosive diarrhea. Yeah.
Doggy. No, I put dogs in my videos.
What is that? Biggest problem.
I'm watching movies. I probably better go and play on my game. My game's the Doggy. There's Duck. There's only some places where I can go. Oh. There's the old Mickey. There's Mickey right there.
Buford returned to the clinic. Open him up, good enough. There's this big piece of cloth in the intestine.
I love that dog to death.
Of course, normal for Buford means returning to bad habits.
He very quickly ate his cone of shame. He's really good at stealing the washcloths from the kitchen. After his surgery, we found
What
lots of washcloths that kind of already passed through. It was pretty good.
Mickey, get away.
Lucky the cat is lucky to be alive.
This morning when it was like 15, 14 degrees out and in the counties, he was almost like
Doggy. Since then, I have to go. Cat safe. Every animal here. Every animal tries to attack this cat. Kitty! I see you, Noodles. Your paw is wet. Why is your paws wet? Up!
The outside where it's all soft and wet and zip your paws.
You're the digging deep.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
I
are.
know why her paws
Kitty cat! It's a kitty cat! Get it? My paws are wet.